Hello, my name is Rylan J. Slindsey. I'm a student at the Georgia Gwinnett College School of Liberal Arts studying cognitive neuroscience. And today I'm going to be showing you how to download the tutorial dataset for the Human Connectome Workbench. So this dataset is very useful for when you're just starting out, you learning the Connectome Workbench, and you just need something to just play around with while you get used to everything. But I will also be showing you how to use data that you might have gotten yourself or anything else. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to www.humanconnectome.org/tutorials. Tutorials. And once you're on this page, you're going to want to go down to Connectome Workbench Tutorial and get dataset from Balsa. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a page, and you can see I'm already logged in. If you don't have an account, you're going to have to create one, and either way, you're going to have to be logged in. But once you do, you just go back and repeat what I've already shown. So next, you're going to want to click Download, and that will pop up this menu here, which shows you all of the different tutorials that come packaged. And each of these will show you different variables and different things that you can do using the workbench, but you can pick and choose which ones you do and do not want. So for example, if you really have no need, then you don't have to download line charts or whatever, but when you are done, you simply select Download Selected. It'll tell you the file size. After you download it, you go to your files, and you're going to be seeing something that looks just like this. Um, just the tutorial files. They will come usually as a zip file, and just like with the download and installation video, the process to unzip it is very simple. If it doesn't automatically do so, you just right click and press unzip, and you'll get a file that looks just like this. And you can go in and look around and see all of the different scenes that you've installed. However, what we want to do now is go and open up the workbench by going into our workbench file, the installation file. If you haven't set up a shortcut on your desktop, I would highly recommend it because this can get a little bit tedious if you're opening and closing the workbench quite some few times. Now, if it's your first time opening the workbench, this area should be blank, so you're going to want to go into Open Other, and it'll open up this little directory where you just go and find your specific files. If I can go to mine, Human Connectome, and then the WB tutorial. And what you want to do, oh, yeah, you want to set it to .scene. You want to set the file to .scene. So that way it actually shows up. Then select it, click open, and there you go. And as you can see, all of those little tutorials that we installed, they're all there. Uh, but for now, we're just going to use the cortical or the individual surfaces and volumes. We click show, it loads, and it might take a little bit depending on the hardware of your computer. I'm currently on a laptop, so it's not the best. But when we're done, we see there it is. There's our data, and you can go ahead and close this tab out. You don't have to, but I find that it gets in the way because it usually stays on top. But there you go. There you have it. That's how you open up a data set for the Human Connectome workbench.